Hi everyone, today we will discuss advantage and disadvantage essays. Firstly, we should give a general description for essay itself. What is an essay itself? An essay is a short piece of writing on a particular subject. So there are several types of essays. They are an opinion essay, advantage and disadvantage essay, agree disagree, and it is an opinion essay itself, and descriptive essay, and the list goes on. So there are stages of writing task 2, writing an essay. Firstly, immediately while you are provided a topic, you should understand the topic and you should analyze the topic, what is going to ask from you. So looking through briefly your topic, you will brainstorm your topic, brainstorm your essay. So you will write down the ideas on your brainstorming. Then you will move the next stage and you will start your writing essay. In this structure, you just include three: introduction, two bodies, and conclusion in your essay. The last stage, if we would be your proofreading, you will reread your essay in order to correct your mistakes, correct your misspellings, because it's common to mispronounce the words while you write down on your essay topic. Then there are two types of brainstorming. In the first type of brainstorming, you will just draw two lines. In your first column, you write down positive development, positive sides of your topic, and the next column you will write down negative ideas about your topic. So it is called a linear plan. And the next type of brainstorming is a mind map. In your mind map, you will draw two circles, and again you will write down advantages and disadvantages on your circles. Then you will give ideas related to your advantage and disadvantage sides. Next, you will start your writing essay. So I know it is tough to write, it's tough to begin your writing essay, but after brainstorming, but after analyzing your topic, I think it will be more easier. Yes. Then you will start writing your introduction. In your introduction, just you will write a background information about your topic, but it is optional. Either you can write the background information or not, but the examiner will never reduce your mark. The next, you should paraphrase the topic, and it will be your paraphrasing sentence. Then you will write down your opinion, you will state your idea. It's called a thesis statement. Then it is optional to write down a quotation, the sentence or an idea from familiar people around the world. Then we will move bodies. So in your body you will write down two paragraphs, but also you can write down three paragraphs as well. In your body one, you will firstly give an idea, then supporting sentence, then example, then the second idea. While you are providing the second idea, you should link the ideas with each other using the linking words like firstly, secondly, furthermore, moreover, however, like words. Okay, in your conclusion, you should conclude all ideas in your conclusion, and you should state a personal opinion in your conclusion. And it's also optional to write down a quotation too in your conclusion or rhetorical question. Rhetorical question is a question which doesn't require an answer. So, like, who doesn't like her mother? Yes, everyone likes her mother. And it's called a rhetorical question. A quotation is familiar idea or familiar opinion from well-known people around the world. Then, when it comes to vocabulary, you should use a range of academic vocabulary, topic related words in your essay in order to make your essay in your higher level, in order to show the examiner you're more comprehensively using your vocabulary range. Then you should avoid repetition, reusing these words in your essay again and again. So, as we stated above, usage of linking words are essential. Like you should link the ideas appropriately using the words like firstly, secondly, thirdly, first, furthermore, finally. Then, so there are given the equivalent words in order to give examples, and the equivalent words you can write down in your conclusion. And while you're writing your essay, you should just consider the usage of all types of sentences, like compound sentence using femboys, for, and, or, but, nor, yet, so. So while you're using these fanboys, these coordinating conjunctions, you should put commas. If you don't use comma between compound sentence, your mark will be just reduced. Then you should also use the subordinating conjunctions, and complex sentence. In this sentence, you will use although, though, even though, and relative clauses, even if, like subordinating conjunctions. And there is a common rule: use the usage of commas in these sentences. If the dependent clause comes first in your complex sentence, you will use comma. If the independent sentence comes first and the dependent comes second, you shouldn't use comma. If you use comma in this situation, your mark will be reduced in marking your essay. So, thank you for your attention. I think you find this presentation very useful and interesting, and you can use this information on your writing essay and further research.